Welcome everybody. I'm going to talk about what are tools in MCP, also known as the Model Context Protocol. So let's dive right in. I'm going to explain what that is. So what are tools in MCP? So if you ever wondered how AI systems like ChatGPT or Claude or others go from just answering questions to helping you, let's say, book a flight or write some code for you or summarize complex documents in real time, well, that's the magic of tools in the Model Context Protocol, also known as the MCP, developed by Anthropic, and is quietly revolutionizing how AI integrates with the real world. Now, in simple terms, tools in MCP are simply think of those as external functions or services that an AI model can call during a conversation to complete more complex tasks than it can do on its own. So you can think of them as on-demand extensions or plugins that let the model do things like run calculations, access real-time database, or interact with third-party APIs. Now these tools are registered with the MCP runtime and exposed to the AI model through a defined schema. So the model can then decide, per se, when it needs extra help and which tool to use. Now, what this does is it creates a dynamic system where the model isn't just generating words, it's actually orchestrating actions. Now, just a brief thing on MCP versus API. API, you have to define endpoints, right? So you have to create multiple endpoints. Whereas MCP, all agents can talk to an MCP. Okay, so you have the MCP server, you have the MCP host, and the clients. And I'll talk about those architecture in a different video. But here I'm just going to focus on tools. All right, so the beauty of MCP tools lies in their modular and declarative design. What that means is simply the tool has a name, parameters, input outputs, types, and a description. And MCP follows a client-server architecture model, so it's nothing new, but it's just more better. So the model sees these in context and reasons out which tool is appropriate based on the user's prompt. Now, once it selects a tool, the request is executed outside the model, and the result is returned into the chat context seamlessly. What the result is, of course, it allows for safe, controlled, and auditable interaction between AI and external systems, ensuring that even the powerful functions like payment processing or data retrieval can be tightly managed. All right, next is basically the tools that represent a shift, right? So like I talked earlier about how the static prompt responsive models to adaptive and multi-capable AI agents. So unlike API, right, we have to define several endpoints. Well, in MCP, the tools in MCP simply are shifting the paradigm. They're going from static prompt responses to adaptive and even multi-capable AI agent responses. All right, so finally, key takeaways for you to understand and remember is that MCP tools are simply external functions or services. They are either modular or declarative design, and then they go from static response to adaptive or multi-agent. So I hope this helps. Let me know what you think. Just wanted to cover the tools in this short video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below on what you think about MCP. And if you've been working with APIs, let me know your thoughts on those too. Thanks again. I'll see you guys.